Puts things into perspective, doesn't it?
Does, for sure. I think we can handle a little cold.
Yeah.
And then, boy, when we look ahead to the weekend, we've got some great weather headed our way, especially if you want to make some outdoor plans, which I encourage you to do today, because we're talking sunshine and 70 by the time we get into the weekend. But between now and then, we have upgraded our weather impact. We talked about this yesterday, the cold weather having an impact locally. Now to that alert phase, because a first freeze is expected for all of central Indiana. National Weather Service upgraded all of the area to a freeze warning. When? Tomorrow morning, the impact lows at or below freezing for a few hours early tomorrow morning. So what you need to do, get your home, get your family ready for the cold weather, maybe dig out those heavier coats. We talked about this as well yesterday. There was a gap between the freeze warning issued east and the frost advisory issued south and west, and that gap included Lafayette, Kokomo, and Indianapolis. And you can see actual air temperatures from this morning, those lows, upper 30s and low 40s. We weren't nearly as cold as areas to the east where we had clear skies. All dropped to 32 in Richmond this morning, dropped to 36 in Muncie with some widespread frost. It was 36 this morning in Bloomington and Bedford. The difference tonight, we are not expecting that cloud deck to come off Lake Michigan. Skies will clear and clear fast tonight. That will allow those temperatures to drop into the upper 20s and low 30s early tomorrow morning. Already seeing that clearing taking place over downtown where we have 55, clearing over Noblesville 55 degrees. Some breaks in the cloud deck, Morris Reservoir 53, and we have 55 in Bunker Hill. So the freeze warning, the reason for the weather impact alert for tonight, temperatures expected at or below freezing for a good part of central Indiana early tomorrow morning. Grab the heavy coat at the bus stop. Won't need it tomorrow afternoon. Will actually be about 5 to 10 degrees warmer than what we had today, as we expect high temperatures tomorrow in the low to mid 60s. As we get into Friday, we're going to start to warm it up. Plenty of sunshine Friday afternoon. Temperatures in the middle and upper 60s. That's a little more seasonal for this time of year, where we should be for the middle part of October or so. And then we go above average. 70s arrive this weekend and stick around for several days. Sunshine and 70 on Saturday. Sunshine and 72 on Sunday. We'll stick with highs in the low to mid 70s. Good 10+ degrees above average through the early part of next week.